Hi, welcome to the class. We're gonna solve an equation with double absolute value on today. So the equation is the absolute value of 2 times x plus 5 minus x, and all this is equals to 7. Okay, so we need to be careful when we have two absolute values, okay? Because we have one here and we have the another here, okay? So we need to put the conditions of the absolute value, okay, in each expression of the absolute value. So the main condition will be the condition of the absolute value which is inside the second absolute value, okay? So this will be the absolute value that we are gonna condition first. Okay, so the main condition, well, we can choose the main condition that we want. Remember, is the definition of absolute value of x, okay, is that absolute value of x is f is bigger or equal than 0, and is negative x or the opposite of x if x is less than 0. Okay, so now the main condition could be this condition, x bigger or equal than 0, or just x less than 0. Okay, so I'm gonna take this first condition, okay, I'm gonna put the main condition, so the absolute value of 2 times x plus 5 will be 2 times x plus 5 if 2 times x plus 5 is bigger or equal to 0. So now cleaning the x, we have that x should be bigger or equal to negative 5 over 2. Okay, so that is my main condition, and now I can write the equation on this form. The equation number 1 should have the form absolute value of 2 times x plus 5 minus x equals to 7. Okay, and now we can write this in another form, just solving this simple equation. So 2 times x minus x will be x, so we get that this is x plus 5 equals to 7. And now we got a new equation, a simplest equation, right, to solve. And we need to put a new main condition. So, okay, now a new condition to solve this equation should be, well, I can take also the positive part of this, so I can put that x plus 5 is bigger or equal than 0. So it means that x should be bigger or equal than negative 5. Okay, so that will be my new condition, and with this condition I'm gonna put a new equation, the equation 1.1, and the equation 1.1 should be x plus 5 equals to 7, and and we need to remember our conditions. So we have two conditions. First condition, x bigger or equal than negative 5. And the second condition is the main condition of this equation, the equation number 1. The main condition will be that x is bigger or equal than negative 5 over 2. So I'm gonna put this here. And now we need to think about if this condition makes sense or is a contradiction. So we can just draw a line here. Okay, so we draw a line, and we have here the negative 5, and negative 5 over 2 is negative 2.5. Okay, and now I need numbers that are bigger or equal than negative 5, so is they are all the numbers to the right of the negative 5, and these also are the numbers which are to the right to the minus, sorry, this is minus 2.5, so all the numbers to the right of negative 2.5. Okay, so all the numbers that satisfies these both conditions are here, okay, are in this range from negative 2.5 until the infinity. Okay, so now we solve the equation, we get x equals 2. Okay, and f is a solution, x is a solution if x belongs to this interval, to the interval, closed interval, negative 2.5 until infinity. Well, that's right, that's true. So x is a solution, so now I can say that my solution, my set solution, number 1, is the set formed by 2. Okay, that is my first set solution. Okay, and now we can solve another equation with another new condition, okay? Because equation 1.1 is already solved, okay? Now we can put another condition to this equation 1. So the another condition is when we take the another part of the absolute value, okay? We're gonna take the negative part. So, new condition, the new condition is that x plus 5 is less than 0, so it means that x is less than negative 5. Okay, that is my new condition. So now I can write an equation 1.2 with this new condition, and the equation 1.2 should be now solving this absolute value, the absolute value of x plus 5, but taking the opposite of this. So this is the negative, or the opposite, x plus 5 equals 7. So it means x plus 5 equals negative 7, okay? And then easily x equals to negative 12, right? But now again we need to check our conditions, okay? And our conditions are and x less than negative 5 and x bigger or equal to minus negative 5 over 2. So remember, the main condition of the equation number 1 is this one, okay? This one is the equation, the main condition of the equation. Okay. So now we need to know if this makes sense or not. So again, we can draw a line, we can visualize the range, okay? And look this, we have here the negative 5 and here the negative 2.5. So again, negative 2.5, we take all the numbers to the right of negative 2.5, okay? But here we need to take all the numbers to the left, okay? And it is an open interval, so to the left of negative 5. So we don't have any intersection, so in this case the equation 1.2 doesn't make sense, okay? So as x needs to be in the intersection between minus infinity and negative 5 and the intersection with minus 2.5 and infinity, and this is the empty set, so x equals minus 12 is not a solution, okay? Because minus 12 is not the empty set, right? So the set solution number 2 is the empty set, okay?